Hi guys and welcome back to Foxy. Today I will be showing you how to give your lipstick dual tone, which is also called as Ombre Lips. So I will be using two different shades of lipsticks to create a light to dark shade. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. So the first shade that I will be using is from Huda Beauty, shade 05. It's a dark maroon kind of a shade, and as you can see the tint of the shade, it's very dark. So if you want to create an ombre look for this shade, you have to go for a very neutral but a light nudish kind of a shade in the center. So I'll be using the Berobbed shade in LG03. Let me show you what the shade looks like. This is a very neutral nude shade. So before we start applying the lipstick, the first step we'll do is outline our lipstick with a lip liner. I'm using the Fashion Factory lip liner, color maroon. So we've created an outline for our lips. We'll start filling in with the dark maroon shade. We will not be applying this shade in the center of our lips. We'll be only applying it on the outer edges. Now the lighter nude shade that we had taken, we'll be applying that only on the center. And use your finger to blend them together. If you feel like the lipstick has gone out of the line, then just take a flat brush or an angular brush. Your lips are now pout ready. So So if you guys liked how I created this ombre lips, you can comment down below what other colors would you like the ombre lips to be in. And do subscribe to our channel, like, comment and share this video as much as possible. And you can follow us on Instagram, which is Foxy Makeup Tips, and you can follow me on Instagram, Simbo Art. Thank you.